Abhishek, just stay on with us because I think our colleague Rakesh is near that bus. So let's get an update from Rakesh and then I'll come back to you, Abhishek. Rakesh, if you can hear me, I think the bus is all set to start. I think all that's remaining is for this for the champions to come and be on top of this bus. Take us through some of the security arrangements around at this point, Rakesh.
Okay, I'll tell you the security arrangements. The bus is right in front of me at the NCPA junction. The bus has already reached here, and this is the Times Now's exclusive coverage, and Times Network will be covering the exclusive and the biggest coverage from our own private open bus, which will be traveling along with the Team India's victory march. And there is that bus standing at the NCPA. The both northbound and southbound, both roads are closed. There is no vehicular movement allowed by the traffic police, and the Mumbai police is also deployed here. The heavy security arrangements are here. So only the authorized people can reach at this junction. And you may see that those posters, if my camera person Praveen is trying to zoom and trying to show you the best pictures, that if you can see the posters there at the end of the NCPA junction, that is the bus where it is standing right now. And from there, the Team India will onboard. And on the other hand, I will try to show you some excitement of the common people, the public, who are cheering already for the Team India. It's just 1:40 right now. There's about 3 to 4 hours still left, but the people have started gathering here. Some people are recording this moment in their mobile phones also, because this is their excitement. So the people they have already started coming here. Maybe this is a lunchtime for them. So people who are working here, who have come here for the corporate jobs, they have also come down just to get a glimpse of this bus, just to be part of this historic moment. They want to get involved, and that is all we can see. You can hear the noise. If I try to show you, that they are waving the hands and they are just enjoying it. I have some women with me to talk about Team India आज आ गई. आप लोग कितने excited हैं?
बहुत एक्साइटेड है, बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग है, तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो
यहाँ
रही है।
पे बस भी आ गई क्या? बस को देखने के लिए जा रहे हैं आप लोग?
हाँ जी, हमारा ब्रेक टाइम में हम बस को देखने आए।
अच्छा, अभी लंच टाइम पे आप आए?
यस यस।
So as I was telling you that there's a lunch time right now going on, so people are that excited they're coming down just to get the glimpse of the bus and see. I can see there's a group of people who are there with the Indian flag. So today evening, what you will see at the Nariman Point will be only the tricolor and the men and the women in the jersey of blue color, the Team India jersey. So entire thing will be like a blue moon completely at the Nariman Point, and the people will be here with the tricolor just to celebrate this historic moment, the champions, to celebrate the champions, to welcome the champions, and definitely this is going to be one of the historic moments in the history.
Indeed, Rakesh, thanks a lot for getting us. Let me go back to Abhishek. Abhishek, of course, Rakesh has set the stage for us at this point, but I'm sure you have a lot of people. I mean, I wish my company would have also given me a time off after lunch so as I could go and attend it. But obviously, at this point, we have a job to do, and Abhishek, you're covering that as well. If you could speak to some of those people behind at this point, who are they most excited to see today?
Yeah, definitely. You know, we missed the link because the bus was right there. You know, let the excitement continue, guys. We are witnessing. You know, this is the excitement, and the fans have started to arrive. हम बात कर रहे थे. You know, how much are you excited? Because
we are very much excited because this opportunity has been came over to us like 10 years after. So it's very 10 years, no. We were the champions of Champions Trophy. Okay, so we are very excited. We are here to support India, and we have always supported them. So congratulate to every Indian, and we are very proud of them. They have played they have played exceptionally well. So cheers to India! India!
बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है और अभी से लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, काफी क्राउड बढ़ेगा. क्या मोमेंट है, कैसे देखते हैं?
So as a Mumbaiker, I feel really blessed to see our Indian team in front of us. Like there are many mega cities in India, but Mumbai में ही ये opportunity मिल रही है हम लोगों को. It's a very big deal for us. So we are very excited for it.
Guys, वो एक आप लोगों ने कहा था हमारा कैप्टन कैसा हो?
रोहित शर्मा जैसा हो!
हमारा कैप्टन कैसा हो?
रोहित शर्मा जैसा हो!
This is the excitement, and they are super excited.
Well, you know what, Abhishek, I think
these are the people who are working here.
Abhishek, I'm sure they're all Mumbai Indian fans also. And while I'm sure all of them are voting, or all of them are supporting Rohit Sharma as the captain, but I think it's time for Mumbaikars to welcome and greet both their captains, both their Indian cricket team captain and their IPL captain also, because Hardik Pandya has also done a fantastic job and people must remember that, and Mumbaikars must really welcome and give him the reception he deserves after all that he has gone through. Abhishek, stay on with me. I'll keep coming back to you. My colleague Shweta is joining us from the Mumbai airport. I'm also being joined by my esteemed guest at this point, Ashok Aswalkar, who is the coach of Surya Kumar Yadav, one of the heroes of the final, especially in the last 5 overs. Ashok ji, माफी चाहता हूं आपको वेट करवाने के लिए. अगर आपकी अनुमति हो तो 2 मिनट और आपको अपेक्षा करवाऊंगा. एक रिपोर्टर से अपडेट लेने के बाद मैं आपके पास आने वाला हूं. So Shweta, if you're with me at this point from the Mumbai airport, in about 2 hours, if I'm not mistaken, the special aircraft carrying the Indian team is set to land at this point from Delhi to Mumbai. I'm sure there are a lot of people at the Mumbai airport just waiting to greet the team. Take us through the atmosphere at the ground.
Well, absolutely. There's one emotion across nation, and specifically talking about the financial capital, and why not? We are talking about Team India and bleed blue emotion. Right now, I'm joined by some of the fans over here just to get one glimpse of Team India and the players, of course. कितने खुश हैं? सबसे पहले तो आप अपने भावनाएं बताइए. आप वेट कर रहे हैं?
यस यस, बहुत अच्छा है. टीम इंडिया जीती है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत एक्साइटेड.
हम चाहते हैं कि इसी तरह आगे भी इंडिया टीम जीती रहे और पूरा हिंदुस्तान खुश है टीम के जीतने पर.
जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हमें उम्मीद नहीं थी कि भारत इतने बेहतरीन तरीके से जीतेगा. सब लोग इतने खुश होंगे, खुशियां मनाएंगे. उम्मीद के बाद अनएक्सपेक्टेड, बहुत ही बेहतरीन जीत.
So this was exceptional win. In fact, why not? This is going to be a historic one also. Let me quickly also show you the place where we are waiting. In fact, I was here to interact with all the fans, those who are waiting to get a glimpse of the Indian cricket team. And these are some of the inter-terminal buses. But of course, the Team India will be coming in a different bus. How the security has been put up here, just visuals of that too, because there's Mumbai Police, there's deployment of CISF, there's entire team waiting, the entire media team, of course, there's those who are waiting here. And we have been allotted a different spot from this side. And this is the gate. Nitesh is showing you the gate. And probably after 2 hours from here, this would be the exit point where everyone will be coming out. And if we can just speak to some of them, we have just shown you the place and the excitement, of course, which fans are thronging with. And in some time, what we see is that from this particular airport, the Team India will be coming, where the fans have gathered large in numbers. In fact, they are cheering for their favorite, players, as well as for entire Team India. We see that Mumbai is carrying some sort of different emotions, because everybody is coming with the processions to meet and greet fans over here.
All right, Shweta, we'll keep coming back to you and to my colleagues Rakesh and Abhishek as well, because Mumbai is all buzzing at this point. But it's also important to focus on the people who have made these heroes, who we are now celebrating in Mumbai, in Delhi and across the country.